Hey everyone, my name is Chris and this is my shop partner Oots, and in this video I'm going to be finishing my slab top computer desk. I'm super excited for the set of drawers that I'm going to be adding. I have some really crazy ideas for some joinery. It's going to really challenge my abilities and hopefully I can pull it off, because if I do, I think the industrial metal base blended with the live edge slab and the crazy hand cut joinery is going to be really cool. So this is the metal base that I welded up. That's in the last video. In case you didn't see that, we'll show a little bit of footage right now of that to get you caught up. I'll also leave a link down in the description and also a link at the end of the video. Alright, so first we're going to work on the live edge slab, and we're going to get it to fit the base. I noticed there's a little bit of a twist in it. We're going to do some work with some hand planes, get the twist out, smooth up the top. We have some cracks. We're going to need to fill those with epoxy, clean the bark off the live edge, and get ready to build a little shelf that the monitors will stick on. So let's get started with that part. All right, next we're gonna work on the case for the set of drawers. Now I'm gonna build that out of a cherry veneer plywood that I got at a local hardwood dealer, and I'm gonna use a circular saw to make all my cuts for that. Now I made a separate video showing how to take a circular saw and make a really simple straight edge guide, and it allows you to do a lot of the tasks that you need a table saw for or a track saw for, but it's a fraction of the price. When I started out woodworking, I didn't have any of those things, so I made one of these and accomplished a lot. So there's a link at the top of the screen here and also at the end of the video and down in the description. So if you're interested in checking out that video, make sure you watch that. And thanks so much, Lowe's, for sending me that tool and sponsoring this video. All right, so now the drawer frame is done and it's time to start building some drawers. I'm going to show you really quick that again you can use that circular saw and the straight edge guide to cut some boards to length and width. It does get tricky holding boards once they get kind of small, but if you get creative, you definitely can make it work. Then I'm going to be putting away the power tools, busting out the hand tools, and attempt some pretty crazy joinery that I drew up. I've never seen it done before. I have no idea if it's going to work, but I'm really excited to challenge myself, see if I can pull it off. So wish me luck, and let's get started. Wow, I can't believe how much work that was. I think I bit off a little more than I anticipated there, but we got all the pieces cut, and I decided to make another video specifically on those drawers because there's so much going on there. So if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel, hit that little bell icon because in a little bit, a couple days, I'm going to put out another video detailing those drawers, including the dovetails, including all the joinery that I did for the front there. Should be really cool and interesting. So now we are all done with our pieces. It's time to assemble and finish. So we're going to install the top. We're going to insert the drawer case into the frame, put the drawers together, glue them all up, and then we're going to finish everything with first a coat of DEWALT shellac, because it's nice and fast drying and it looks beautiful on cherry. And then to protect it, we're going to go over everything with a couple coats of Minwax wipe-on poly. That's also fast drying, so it'll be done. I won't have to wait days and days, and we can put the computer pieces on it and get to work. So let's start assembling this thing, see how it looks. Come here, Lucy. Hup. Oh, wipe out. Come here, buddy. Here. Look there. Look there. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a ton of work. It's a very interesting piece. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like the way it looks? I think it looks really, really cool. That metal base, the live edge top, the crazy joinery on the drawers. I wasn't so sure as I was building it how it would turn out, but I really like it. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next project. See you later. Oh, I see you're hard at work. God dang it.